Have you ever wanted to swap a web map layer out for another feature layer? Well, let's check it out with the ArcGIS API for Python. Open up the swaplayers.py script from the web map settings folder. Once more, we are going to use the item object getData method to return the JSON definition for our web map. We are going to manipulate one of the layer dictionaries in the operational layers to swap a layer in place. Basically, this action will mimic removing a layer from the web map and adding another in its place. We first access ArcGIS Online. We then use the content manager get method and supply in our web map item ID, which I'll paste in now for my notepad. The get method will return an item object representing our web map item, and we'll assign that to a variable called web map item. We then use our item object for our web map and the getData method to return the JSON definition as a dictionary. We'll assign this dictionary to a variable called WebMap item data. We're going to create a variable called replace layer, which is a string that represents the name of the layer in the web map we wish to replace. We're going to replace our NIAH layer with hospitals in Ireland from Living Atlas, and this is the item ID for that feature service in Living Atlas. Here we are using the get method from the content manager once more to create an item object called feature service item. We are then using the feature service item layers property and getting the first layer from that feature service, which is the hospital points. We'll assign that to a variable called FL that represents our feature layer object. We want to get some information from this feature layer object that represents the hospitals. We want the title of the layer, which you can access from the feature layer object properties property and the name value. We need the item ID, which is this item ID up here that we have used to get the feature service, but here we're going to use the feature layer itself to get that item ID through the properties property and the service item ID value. We'll create a list here, an empty list for field infos. This will be information for the fields to add to our layer definition. So for each field in the feature layer object properties property fields value, which is a list, we're going to create a dictionary with the field name, whether it's editable, the label, which is the alias, and if that field is visible or not. For each field, we'll add a dictionary to our field infos list. We'll have our title, our item ID, and our field information. We're then going to create the layer definition for our web map for these hospitals layer that will replace our NIAH. We'll create a dictionary because the web map layer is a dictionary. We'll set the ID to none. We're going to grab this from the outgoing NIAH layer. This ID is automatically generated from ArcGIS Online when you add a layer to a web map. And we're going to grab the NIAH ID and set it here in a moment. We set our title to be the title of the hospitals, the URL. So the URL to the feature layer in the feature service. Our item ID is the service item ID that we got from the feature layer object. Our layer type, of course, is an ArcGIS feature layer for our web map. For the pop-up info, we'll set the title to be the same name as the layer itself. And then for our pop-up elements, we'll have fields, attachments if they're there, and the display type for attachments is auto, show attachments true. And our field infos is the field information we gathered from the feature layer. So this dictionary will make up the hospital layers in our web map. We now want to create a new operational layers list. First, we'll set it to empty. Then we're going to iterate over each layer in our current web map operational layers. If we find the layer we want to replace, which is our NIAH, we're going to grab the ID from our NIAH layer and add it to our incoming hospital swap layer dictionary. We append each layer that we find in the web map to our new operational layers list. This means that the NIAH information will have been removed and replaced for our new swap layer. We then apply our new operational layers list to our web map item data, which is our JSON definition as a dictionary. So we're overwriting the operational layers list, and we then need to update our item object to reflect that change. So we create a dictionary called item properties, where the key is text and the value is our updated JSON definition. We then call the item object update method, where we supply our item properties as the item properties parameter. Before running, let's pop on over to ArcGIS Online. Here we have the current state of our web map. We can see we have our NIAH layer here. When we run our script, this will be replaced by Hospitals in Ireland from the Living Atlas. Let's head back over to PyScripter and we'll run our script. Our script is complete. Let's head back over to ArcGIS Online and check out the result. Take note of our NIAH layer here. We'll refresh the map and we can see that Hospitals in Ireland is now present in our map. Let's head back to PyScripter and reverse what we just did. Scroll up. I'm going to comment out our replace layer here and open up this replace layer for Hospitals in Ireland. That's how it is named in our web map. I'll comment out getting the feature service item for Hospitals in Ireland and open up getting our own feature service item for NIAH. I will copy and paste in the item ID. We know there is only one layer in our NIAH feature service, so we're going to grab that, and the rest of the script is the same. So we will rerun and we'll head back over to ArcGIS Online to check out the result. You can see here our Hospitals in Ireland. I'll refresh and our NIAH locations layer has been re-added to the map in place of the hospitals layer. Take note that it now reads NIAH locations rather than the name that we had set when we were renaming layers. This is the layer name from the feature service itself. Another slightly advanced workflow. Here we saw how we could manipulate the JSON definition for our web map in our operational layers to swap out one layer for another.